Stop scrolling. In the next 60 seconds, you'll introduce yourself in English like a confident speaker, even if you're a beginner. Speak English fluently with two simple rules at the end. Welcome to AI English Hub. Hi, I'm Asmi, your English tutor today. We'll practice introducing yourself, just like in real life. Don't worry about mistakes. I'll help you. 5 simple steps to introduce yourself. Let's start simple. Step 1. What's your name? You say, my name is Asmi. Upgrade. Good morning, I'm Asmi. Nice to meet you. Great. Now tell me what you do. Step 2. What do you do? Examples. I'm a student. I work as a designer. I'm learning English. Upgrade. Right now, I'm focused on improving myself. Step 3. Perfect. Where are you from? You say, I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. Upgrade. I'm originally from India. Step 4. Now let's make it interesting. What do you like to do in your free time? Examples. I like watching movies. I enjoy music and traveling. I like learning new skills. Upgrade. Recently, I've been really into learning English with AI English Hub. Step 5. Now say everything together. Take your time. Good morning, I'm Asmi. I'm from India. I'm a student and I like learning new things. In my free time, I enjoy music and improving my communication with AI English Hub. Nice to meet you. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Say it loudly with me. Together. Now say it again. Faster. 3, 2, 1. Go. That was great. You sound clear and confident. If this was easy, imagine day 30. 2 rules to speak English. Fluently, 1 consistency, 2 practice. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and learn with AI English Hub. Comment. Plus your name. Follow AI English Hub for day 2 practice.